Flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And so, look, I'm trying to figure out where to put my hands at. I am finishing day 2 on this luxury wedding. It's at a very high-end hotel in Rancho Palos Verdes. It's at the Terracotta hotel. I'm gonna show you guys everything when I get there tomorrow. So yesterday we did, I think you guys think you will see a little bit of when before this video starts, of us doing the, what is it called, hydrating or processing. So for me, I don't process like everybody else. A lot of people process, which, don't get me wrong, is when you're going, like my hydrangeas, I do take off the leaves and cut and to process those. But like your roses, you're supposed to open them up, take off the leaves, and that's the way, and cut them too. That's how you're supposed to process those. I don't process my hydrangeas like that. I don't know why, and I should, because even with just the thousands, we had 1,000 hydrangeas that we had to do, and then I had, I think, 15 or no, you know what? I think I had about 2,000 roses to do. I just didn't process my roses like that. We just cut them, put them in the buckets, and I did take out a little bit of the flowers off. And then spray roses, gosh, I think we had, I want to say, I think I had with them 5, but there's a total about 5,000 flowers we had to process the first day. So we did that. Then today I did the centerpieces, the personal flowers, and all that good stuff. Tomorrow I won't be there. My girls will be working for me, and they're gonna finish like just the small stuff, like the lounge table. One of my girls, she's really good in copying my stuff because she's been with me for like 5 years. So she knows like how to do exactly what I do. So whatever she does, it always looks exactly like mine. So she's doing a few things like that. And then we had to do the rehearsal dinner, which I did a mock-up and did most of them. They just have to put the green in those flowers. So that's what they're doing. Then what you guys want to see on Saturday is you guys want to see us do everything. You're going to see us do a gigantic arch. Oh my gosh. The floral bridges, which I have to do there because they came all the way from like 90 miles away. And so they came from like 90 miles away. And then what else? So I have to do those there. And then I have, what else do I have to do? There's like a few things. I have to do like something in front of the sweetheart table. I have to do, there's a lot of little stuff that I have to do thereof, but I have a staff of about 5 of us that is going to do all this. So normally I would have about, so each day I normally would have about 6 people to do each thing for me, because we did like 18 centerpieces. I have to do 4 floral bridges, the arch. We did a long aisleway. It's just a lot of little stuff, and it just adds up really, really quick. So you guys, come on, finish watching. I hope you guys liked the beginning. Now let's finish watching what we do today and how everything goes on Saturday, Friday and Saturday. So I'll see you guys. Bye. Excited. So yesterday I went to a conference with my church. It was Women's Day, and I had left Thursday when I had talked to you guys last. I think I told you guys I had left. I was in tons of traffic, and it was up in Arrowhead. So we went up there, received the word. I got some really good information. If you're a Christ follower, which I am, that's why I always help people. I love helping people because, yes. But anyway, I'm so fired up about that. I came down So my staff did an amazing job finishing up everything on Friday, because the majority of the stuff, like I said, I think I had finished. When I get here today, you guys are going to see me put together the arch, and then you guys are also going to see me put together the do the arch. You're going to see me do one of the floral bridges, and you're going to see me do just a few little small, like the things that I'm doing on site. I'm going to get there at 8 o'clock this morning, and me and my staff are going to go do what I always do every time I get to any location, is I give my staff a walkthrough. I'm not good with, I am horrible with trying to explain stuff because I'm running through a whole bunch of stuff during the wedding. So a lot of times during the wedding, I'm going through, okay, is that person doing this? Is that person doing this? Do we still have enough time? Did I do this? Did I do that? So when somebody asks me a question, it takes me forever to get my brain, because I'm an artist, or I'm a creative, and it's just, everything is scattered everywhere. So I like to do a walkthrough so I can explain to everybody everything they need to know, so that we don't have any, like, you shouldn't have to ask me any questions. And then the questions that you do ask me, it should be something where I can just pop it off the top of my head. I don't have to go deep inside of my thoughts to figure out what they're talking about. So we do a walkthrough, and then we just get into it. So I'm gonna have some of my staff, they're gonna be starting on the arch, and then my other staff is going to, well, no, let's take it back. We're gonna start unpacking the truck. Once we unpack the truck, then we are going to start on half on the arch, half are going to be in the ballroom, finishing up the 4 bridges. We need and so they're gonna change, or she's going to do, I'm trying to think, should I go on the fast track? No, I'm not. I wonder. Anyway, shouldn't be traffic at this time. Do you think it's traffic light?
I don't know.
What would you do? Okay, we just gonna go. Anyway, I gotta pay the bill. I'm suspended. Anyway, what was I saying? I can't think of what I was saying. Oh, you guys, I'm sorry. What was I saying, Lon? I don't know. Anyway, there's a few things that I'm doing on site because I don't know exactly what they are, so I'm just going to improvise when I get there with the installs. So I'm so excited, you guys. This couple they got a really good price for the amount of items that we are doing. I mean, I'm not gonna, it's probably like you probably could buy yourself a nice little truck for the amount that his parents paid for this event, but we kind of underbidded ourselves because of the fact that the mom started wanting to add in different things that were kind of expensive. So like peonies, dahlias, which I felt peonies go with the look that we're going, but the dahlias didn't, but we still put some in there. I did the white ball dahlias to kind of give it more of a soft edge, because if you guys know dahlias, they have like that rough, I love them in certain things, but they have, like, I love stuff to coincide. If it's soft and round, I like that to go with soft and round to give it more, because if you guys look at my style, I'm very romantic, because everything is soft. But anyway, we're on our way. I hope I didn't talk too much. I'm super, super excited. Had a headache. Took me some Advil, so I'm hoping that'll go away. And let's get it done. And I'll see you guys at the very end. Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia. So I hope you guys enjoyed this a lovely vlog this week. This was an amazing event. We charge in the upper 20,000 for this event, but in all actuality, we underbidded ourselves. It should have been around $40,000 to $50,000 for this. But hey, you live and you learn. One thing that did happen is that the mother of the groom who was paying for everything, she kind of tricked us. We were supposed to do low arrangements on the tables, and she was like, no, I said high. So we just end up doing all high. And then I think I had about six skilled freelancers who worked on this, and then we had about 10 just runners and people who just did little stuff for us the day of. It was super, super fun. I had so much fun with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to go join membership, go ahead. It's somewhere down there. Go join my membership. I give you some very good tips. I'm going to also start working on tips on how to move from just a regular floral designer into a luxury floral designer. And so there it is. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.